Hey guys, I'm Logan, and check this out. I just flipped this stack starting from only 60 bucks. Want to know the secret? Perfect, because I'm about to show you how you can build an income that can literally change your life, starting with just a tiny investment. Forget years of studying or confusing technical terms. My strategy is so simple that even a complete beginner can follow step by step and start making money. And these aren't just empty promises, these are real results that thousands of traders in my community are already getting. Now it's your turn, ready to dive in? So, friends, what do we have going in this currency pair? Here I see what we don't have such rather powerful lips. We have the price just fluctuating from the lower boundary, from the upper boundary. We will now open from the lower boundary on the upside. And everything is quite simple. Another deal closes in a plus. We take this income into our piggy bank and look how successful for us here is the RSI line. Everything is quite simple. There's already $84 in the balance, which is pretty good. Our goal is a little different. We will be maxing out our deposit to about $5,000. And so it's not stopping us in any way. And here we see an upward movement of the trend. We open accordingly in the same direction. Boom, this is just an amazing result, friends. Doubled our $80, already $162 on the balance, and this is just a great result, I think. It's already quite fast and easy. And as I said earlier, absolutely anyone can do this if they know certain tools and strategies, which of course we go over in my channel. Increase the amount and look further. There are thousands of tips and strategies online, but let's be honest, you are still losing money and not sure what actually works, right? That's where my community comes in. No chaos, no fluff, just proven entry points that bring steady profits almost every single day. In every session, I give you 10 signals and 80 to 90% of them are winners that actually pay. So stop wasting time guessing. So text me to join the community that's already set up for your success. The link is right below. So, we open here on the upside, the price rapidly goes in the opposite direction and wait for the position to close. Look how easy is it to accelerate the balance. It can be done by absolutely anyone. Let's look at this situation in more detail. Although everything here is simple enough to understand even a beginner, but despite this, we can see by RSI the line has pushed off the lower boundary and has gone higher. We can also pay attention to the indicator fractal, which formed an arrow and went in the opposite direction of our price. $311 put on the amount for investment and look further. So friends, what we can notice here on this section of the chart, and here we have an uptrend. Plus here we have the price fluctuating in the trending band. Moreover, the trading corridor is ascending, which tells us that the price will go also upwards in the future. Boom! Yes friends, we're taking out already almost $600 and look how confidently our price has gone up in the right direction. We can also pay attention to all of our indicators and we have confirmation from both the lower indicator and the fractal indicator. It's simple enough, increase the amount and keep going. I remember when I just started, I didn't have the time to dig through complicated charts and dozens of strategies. I needed something simple, clear and effective. That's exactly why I run 2 live trading sessions every day inside my community. In each one you get up to 10 precise signals with exact entry points and full broker settings. All you do is watch, copy and repeat my trades in real time. No stress, no confusion, just a clear proven plan that works. Click the link, start earning today, and don't worry, I'll be there to support you every step of the way. So, we opened this currency pair. We open on the upside, and when the trade works itself out, I will explain why we opened upwards. And here we are with $1,000 in the bank. I'm pretty pleased that our strategy as always has worked itself out and it proves that the analysis really pays off. Let's look at this situation in more detail. Well, first of all, we have upward trend movements. And this arrow is just the support level, and we can also identify the resistance level from above. In this trading range, we just opened a trade on the upside and went into profit. Let us now enter our $1,000 and look at suitable currency pairs. Want to stop gambling on trades and finally follow a strategy that actually makes money? In my private community, you'll join live sessions with a full breakdown of each trade, plus verified signals that make sure every entry is backed by real analysis. This is your chance to stop bleeding your money on random trades and start building consistent, repeatable results you can actually count on. If you are ready to stop searching and start winning, hit the link, join the team, and finally take control of your finances. So, AUD/USD chart here. We will open on a price reversal as the price has reached a confident support level. And that's a fantastic result, folks. My assumption, as always, did not fail me. And indeed, our price has gone up. With us, it pushed off from such a confident support level and went up. And lo and behold, like I said before, it was really easy to accelerate and anyone can do it. It is necessary to know certain strategies which I am just now using to accelerate our deposit. In our channel, I remind you that we go into more detail on similar trading strategies, trading indicators. And where can we go without technical analysis? So go on over, subscribe, but we keep going. So let's switch over here. Here we open on the downside and let's see how the trade will work out. It's amazing, folks, already $4,000 in balance. It's amazing how easy and simple it is to make money with just knowing some strategies and trading chart tricks. It's simple enough. Here we also saw confirmation on the indicator, and according to RSI, the line was rapidly going down. Let's do the final surgery. We won't change the amount. So we open here on the upside. It's pretty simple here. Even a novice can figure it out. Boom, this is a fantastic result. Wow, did you catch that? I just that small sum into 6,000 right in front of you. The next live trading session in my community is starting soon and there is still time for you to join. Time doesn't wait, so take action now. Click the link below, I'll help you to get access to the club.